Come here, Max. Come here. Come here. Oh, you're so strong. Come here. Come here, Max. Sit up. Sit up. Look how concentrated you are. Wow. Mommy, this is not time for fun and games. I'm working on my abs here. Come on, Max. Come on. Oh, there we go. Just a little help from Mama. You're so strong. You're only 11 weeks old. Look at you. Look at you. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.